be solving displacement in 2 dimensions. The question states a vector has the following components. Delta D in the x way is 54 meters east, and the delta D in the y direction is 24 meters north. A says calculate the length of the total displacement vector, and B is calculate the vector's direction. So step 1, you're going to want to start by drawing out your diagram. So step 1. So you're going to want to draw it out. So your first displacement in your x direction is 54 meters east. So we draw 54 meters in the east direction, correct? And your next one is 24 meters north. So remember to drawing tip to tail. This is 24 meters in the direction of north. Calculate the length of the total displacement vector. So that is this. You want to find this vector. This is the resultant. So R is the resultant. Your first step is going to be defining the length of R. So by that we know we can use Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus B squared equals C squared. In this case, C squared is R squared because it is the hypotenuse. So we have 24 squared plus 54 squared equals C squared. So we have 24 squared equals 576 meters plus 54 squared equals 2,916 equals C squared. So when you add those two together, you get 3,492 equals C squared. And we want to get rid of that root sign by square rooting. So we're going to square root getting 59.09 meters. But using sig figs, we need to remember we only have 2 displacements, 2 numbers. So this will just be 59 meters. So we have this, change this to 59 meters. Your next step, so that was A. Determine the total displacement vector. So this is A. A is done. Now we don't know which direction it is going because it is on an angle. So our next step is to determine the vector's direction. By doing that, we need to find angles. We know this is a right angle, so 90 degrees. And our next step is going to be finding this angle, theta. We know the direction is going east and north, so this will be the direction we're finding. To find this, we can use tan. We know tan equals opposite over adjacent. Tan equals opposite 24 over 54. So you're going to want to go second tan. So tan to the -1 on your calculator because it's opening a bracket. 24 divided by 54. We are looking for an angle, so we go tan to the -1. So second tan on your calculator. 24 divided by 54 equals 23.96, so 24 degrees. So we know this is 24 degrees. And we know it is going, I'm just going to move this over here so you can see better. You know it is going 24 degrees. So it's going, oops, it is going east and then upwards north. So we have east 24 degrees north. So this is your answer for B.